Hello you all and welcome to Boa's Bikers channel. Today we're cruising in the Vlaamse Ardennen. This is a part of Flanders in Belgium, the south of Flanders with a lot of hills. For those who like bike races, this is also the area where the Ronde van Vlaanderen, the Tour of Flanders, is held. On this tour we will also see a lot of windmills. They were used to mill or grind the grain for the farmers. Some of them are still intact, like this one. Others, they don't have the weeks, I don't know how you call it in English, so the things that make it turn. And they are sometimes in a poor state. And some of them are changed into houses. Another windmill. Another windmill in the middle of the fields. Look at what a views you've got here. Beautiful view over the rolling hills of the Vlaamse Ardennen. Also the other side of the road. Beautiful rolling landscapes and the windmill in the middle of the fields. Look at these nice views. All the different colors of green, the different crops. Look at this view. How beautiful is that? Cows. Got a lot of cows. So there we have another windmill. The one is spinning, so this is still working. And here we are at the working mill. Look at that. This is fantastic. Just turning away with the wind. So this is one of the climbs that the riders of the Tour of Flanders have to do. We're doing it down, they have to do it up. And I can assure you, it's steep. I wouldn't want to do it with my bicycle. Ooh, cobblestones. Nice. Ooh, deer. Wow, look at this. Look at this. So nice, so quiet, so peaceful. All my troubles just slide away. The Roman brewery. They make a very nice beer. Here, the Adriaan Brouwer. But they have different kinds of Adriaan Brouwer, and one of them is a smoked beer. And that's very nice. And here we have another of the hills from the Tour of Flanders. We are going down again, but they have to get up very steep, not as long as the previous one. The Church of Oudenaarde, the cycle center of Belgium. See, this is the center of the Ronde van Vlaanderen cycle center. And again here we're going up this time. Another stretch of the Ronde van Vlaanderen, La Deuze. It's kinda steep. Look at him go. And you might also have noticed I'm not riding solo today. I have a riding buddy, but not one of my regular riding buddies. My regular riding buddies, they all had something else to do. So I put on the Facebook page of BMW riders a request for riding buddies, and someone from my own village, from my own town, responded. So welcome Christophe. We are riding together. You can see him in my rear camera. And now we go in the Taaienberg. Another one of those stretches from the Ronde van Vlaanderen. This is a climb on cobblestone. For us it's a descent. Look at this, how steep. And this on cobblestones. Wow. Imagine living here in this beautiful redone farm. In such a beautiful landscape. Incredible. Look at this. Wow. I definitely could see myself living here. Wow. Bird of prey. Look at this. How beautiful. Completely surrounded by the woods. Oh. Imagine living there. So quiet, close to nature. Incredible. Whoa! Incredible view. I really love this area. Cruising around here. You have these nice, small, curvy roads giving you amazing views. Going down again. Oh my god, so steep. So steep. Oh my god. I know this place. I've been here with the mountain bike going up. Yeah, this really is a steep climb. The Koppenberg. Whoa, going down a steep cobble road again. Look at this. Wow. My God, so steep. So steep. I hope no bikes are coming up. I don't want to hinder them. Diving into the shade of the forest. Small curvy road. What else can you ask for? My God.
That's all, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you will keep up to date with what I'm doing. And leave your comments down below. See you next time.